Hi friends, welcome to Sheila's Kitchen Tales. My recipe here is the strawberry cheesecake. This cheesecake I have made out of fresh strawberries. I have taken these strawberries and cut them into pieces, and I have put some water and sugar and I am cooking it till it becomes nice and soft. Once this gets cooked, I'll switch off the gas and blend it into a smooth paste. Now for the base of the cheesecake, I have taken here few, you can say about 100 grams of digestive biscuits, and I have crushed them. For setting the cheesecake, I have taken this round tin and I have lined it with the parchment paper. You can also use a silicone mold for this, but I am going to set my cheesecake in the round one. Now first, in the digestive biscuit mixture, I will add about 5 spoons of melted butter, teaspoons of melted butter. Give this all a good mix, and with the help of my fingers I will make this into a crumbly mixture. And now we will put this mixture on the base of the tin and we will press it evenly in this manner. And we'll set this in the refrigerator for about half an hour. Now for the middle layer, here I have taken about 100 grams of cottage cheese, that is paneer, 100 grams of curd, 100 grams of powdered sugar, half cup of milk, and the puree which I had made of the strawberry. If you don't have strawberries, you can use the crush which you get ready made. Here I have taken about 4 teaspoons of vegetarian gelatin and some hot water to mix it, and some fresh cut strawberry pieces. You can avoid it if you don't have it. I have used little strawberry essence. First, in a mixing bowl, we will add all the ingredients like the powdered sugar, the cottage cheese, that is the paneer, the curd. Mix this well. Add the strawberry puree which we had made earlier and some strawberry essence. Give this all a good mix. Now in the gelatin, I have taken 3 teaspoons of gelatin powder and mixed hot water in it, and 1 teaspoon of gelatin will be using for the top layer. Use a bigger vessel to melt the gelatin. Here I have put this diluted gelatin and I have blended it well with a blender. Keep adding the remaining gelatin mixture and about 3 tablespoons of milk to it and blend this all nicely. Then add the strawberry pieces into it. Now in the base what we had set, we will put all this mixture on top to set the middle layer. We'll tap this well and we will set it in the refrigerator again for about 2 hours. Now for the top layer, I have taken the crushed strawberry. I have added 1 spoon of gelatin and some water, and I have made this mixture ready. This I have poured on the top of the middle layer and I have set it in the refrigerator. After about an overnight in the refrigerator, I have removed the cheesecake and I have demolded it from the tin. You can see that it has set well. Here I am going to garnish it with some fresh strawberry and some mint leaves. You can do the garnishing as per your choice. I have taken some sweetened cream and I have garnished it in this manner. You can garnish it the way you want. In this way my cheesecake is all ready and set to be served. You can see how delicious this cheesecake looks. It even tastes wonderful. Yummy cheesecake is ready and I am sure you all will try this at home. Do let me know how you like this recipe. And let me know in the comment section how you liked my recipe. Do visit my channel for such more recipes.